What is OpenRemark? It's an open source, self-hostable comment system designed specifically for static websites built with frameworks like Astro, Hugo, or Next.js. Let's kick things off with a live demo. Right here, you can see the clean, modern look of the widget. And don't worry about the design. You can easily customize the styling to match your brand, which I'll show you in just a minute. Here are all the features that makes OpenRemark so powerful. Feel free to pause this video and read through them yourself. Setting up OpenRemark is incredibly simple, and it just takes 4 quick few steps. You need to create an account, register your site URL, paste the code snippet wherever you want the comment section to appear, and start moderating from your dashboard. That's it. Now let's see a practical example on how to set it up on an Astro site. Click on Add your first site and enter your site's name and URL. The platform immediately generates your unique snippet. It also provides clear guides for HTML, Astro, Hugo, and Next.js. Since we're using Astro today, I'll copy this specific code snippet. Next, I'll head over to my code base. Paste the snippet. And import it to my blog post template. Once saved, we just wait for the site to rebuild. Let's head into the settings to tweak the style. We'll switch to the dark theme and hit save. Notice how the changes apply instantly on the live site. No rebuild required. You have total control over the color scheme and border radius to match your site's aesthetics perfectly. Now that the site has rebuilt, look at that. Our comment widget is live. As the administrator, you have complete control. From the dashboard, you can delete any comment like right here, and as you can see, it would disappear instantly from the live site. The Users tab shows you exactly who is engaging on your site, allowing you to manage their comments or ban problematic users if necessary. Over on the Overview tab, you can get a clean breakdown of your metrics, including total comments, pending reviews, and spam. Do you need to manage more than one project? No problem. OpenRemark supports multiple sites. Just click Add Site and follow the exact same steps. And if you ever need to remove a project, you can safely delete it from the settings page. We hope you find OpenRemarks useful. If you have any questions, you can simply reach us out by the link given in the descriptions. Thank you.